Hi, welcome back to Stony Point Forge. This attachment I designed for a Kalamazoo 1x42 belt grinder. The response has been outstanding. Since the laser cutter has been shut down between Christmas and New Year's, I went through and made my design changes. I replaced my original backing plate and slide bracket. I made this 1/2 inch shorter, so now the overall length is 7 3/8. I made this skinnier so I can shrink everything up a little bit. My bracket right here is set at 17 degrees. Most guys sharpen their knives at between 15 and 20 degrees. The only change I'm going to make is I'm going to make this about 1 inch shorter and see where I land. I want to get down in between these brackets better. I went through and added 2 holes right here because of some of my response questions were one guy wanted to have me add an arm a lot like the 2-inch Kalamazoo grinder to have a tensioning lever. And I figured I could add a bolt right here, the arm to rest against to push this down with. And I had another guy wanting if I could make a Tormac style sharpener out of this. So I figured I'm going to put a bracket on here, come up and put a slide key pretty much right between the guard and my platen here. I want to try to leave that guard in place. So I'm going to try that out next with the Tormac style grinder. What I'll do is I'll put a hinged base on this, rotate this down so I can have better control over my grinding. I just ordered the Tormac knife clamp yesterday. It'll be here Saturday, so I can start designing that out. The only thing is you want to watch out. I'm one of these guys that over tightens everything. So you want to be careful on tightening these U-bolts up, not to distort that tube. But it's plenty tight enough, nothing moves, it's solid. When I get my leather belt and some finer grip paper, I'll demonstrate how it works. Right now it's got that really coarse, about 80 grit paper on there. Well, I'll keep you informed and see you in the next one.